Hey everyone, it's Steve. Welcome back. So when I first started putting these videos together, I assembled a quick and short trailer to demonstrate some of the easier things I could do around the house, such as turning the clock back an hour or pumping up a ball. One of those things was how to change the roll of toilet paper when the paper runs out. Now, I thought this trailer was done in humor, but I've gotten a lot of feedback asking me, when is that video coming? It turns out a lot of people's spouses and partners apparently don't know how to do it. Frequently, the roll is completely empty, or maybe the toilet paper is just sitting on top of the dispenser. But actually replacing it is a little trickier. But luckily, something that even I and you can do. Okay, let's get started. Now, for the purposes of this video, we're going to assume that you've come in and you find that the toilet paper has been used more or less completely. In this case, you literally have one ply left, and whoever used the restroom last just left it in that state. Now you might also find, as I often do, the new roll of toilet paper sitting on top. Apparently they have used some of the new roll, but they weren't able to install it. The process to change these is pretty much the same no matter what happens. It might be you. Maybe you've come in, you had a big bowl of chili last night, and you need to use a little extra, and you get down to the bottom there, and that's it. It's all gone. So what are you going to do? You got to change that thing. Well, how is it done? Simple. Well, first of all, we're going to remove the old roll. In this case, very simple. It just lifts up as a swinging arm. You take that off. Now, there are some that are a little bit more complicated. You have to squeeze the spool that the toilet paper is on to allow it to come free of the handles, and then you remove the toilet paper roll from that spool. Okay, so now before we install, there is one question remaining, and that is, which way does the paper fall? Does it fall to the front, or does it fall to the back? Well, the answer is to the front, like this. And if anyone tries to tell you differently, you tell them to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and then post in the comments the reason why. Okay, so let's reinstall. Like I said, we want this to fall to the front. We're going to drop it on our spool, lower it back into position, and then as a nice extra touch, we're going to give it a little fold here. So we're going to fold the paper back. And you remember when you were a kid and you used to make those things, they called them cootie catchers? Well, you get a fold like that, fold down once, fold down the other side. So you create a triangle, and you lift that over. And there you have a very nice decorative toilet paper roll ready for the next person to come in and foul the room. Next time on Things Even I Can Do, the ever-challenging paper towel roll replacement. Until then, stay safe.